guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
My message is directed to Suzy. It did not gogi. It did not gunshi. You guys. So Suzy, when you know you are a complete tech illiterate, even the way why is this? Maybe I should even use Bini to talk to you because maybe you can send it to Sandra to interpret for you, or you send it to Sarah to interpret for you. You understand? So, Suzy, I watched the video you did yesterday. And this was the same thing you did 2020. Again, no boy ya we a shawo no mama girlfriend do be no gwale ki Scandinavia. This was the same attitude you used in 2020. Again, no boy ya we wa visual na iga soking gwala yilala no epo wa ma yemi Suzy va bola we gbe aiso e. Who worry ya? What say we Vemena? What can we you? What's your business in this issue? You want to come out? You why you no whack we gbe you we no whack we gbe you we did ukinebo make sure your name yon ukinebo yon we no ge so you gwe. Suzy le over with Facebook. Did he you can never make sure your name? Did she say you were the person that called her? So why did you come out saying you're threatening me? Or this is the only is tackily threatening me who were here now? So this was in a huemu no koko mo koko gba no mo ekone. Suzy, you're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Over biele credit. Wa koko bia no mo ekono wo ekoko wo. Ehwemu we. Ene bi agun awe bi ari egbela dian. Ahwe no mo se kian elede wo bote va yin. Suzy va bo fiekun lele we a. O wa be gwa leve no ya zinze gbe you we me na o wa be gwa leve ni bon wa bi jwe mu no denya wo ne Sandra o no de gbe denya we ye na aye de atete me okay ne boy tie we me na guilty conscience we no boy Suzy I saw it. Who worry o JQ u. That eke bo wegi wu atu arigi gwale eki yani GPC munwe. Is that me? Does that mean where if she has issue with anybody, you must find a way to impute yourself? Good afternoon, darling. Vera. John. Good morning. What is wrong with this stark illiterate, Suzy? You say you are not educated, but your child is educated. Oh, where they educated? What here? We full we gonchi. Suzy, mave we wa no na. Mavu we wa no na. Suzy, iwa bo fiakulele we a. They no reki bie kakyan is Belgium. Because eki bonu muhia or wune or condemn ne they no ga Bruce je. Oh Lord, Suzy no mama no worry ya. If actuary and somebody has issue, you are going to know ya kwak we gbe we nu. O te wu we na one back bo no anegbe. You are going to know ya we ni do odo va we no va we 2022 na wa ri jwe na iga so kien wa ayi la ma meeting help wa. Agbe o. Suzy, illiterate is illiterate that you are. Uwe Suzy so iyo sa ojon iye Sandra illiterate uhin wa yore wo wie o gwe no ri okun we no kokude wa go gbo we illiterate uhin a stark illiterate uhin a duty conscience uhin agbe wa o, because there's nothing you can pronounce. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to intimidate to Kinebo? I don't know Kinebo, but it's Ewina. Actually, I came out to say you value Ije no le mi wi wa tuari. You value e denije man iragbo wa ati e boni ya mu ya gboto. Suzy, when you win easy say Facebook na because a stark illiterate we like completely were naked. And that is why I was angry with Ukinebo that the president Mr. Suzy so Felicia Okpom and this other girl, this other dirty pig, what's her name? Precious Meg. She was not supposed to be found there. No school, no day a well educated man because a gang of a shower illiteracy. This was the way to our nonsense. Trying to impute herself into this issue between these two people. If you want to do it 2020, no boys when yaba when no name ya nu. Ne Sandra wo ego Sardiana you ya ki joue ke ye na you that the bonu ya tie because you forgotten what you did. Duty conscience here wa gbewa. Did you Kinebo make sure your name? Oh, you want to join? La we what they to we our debate to arrive sagana ni mari we via o dagbe Suzy no wa be no wa na no bie o mo no bie ma ti mu ade we bo ri bie le kun we Nigeria wa look at the day no we bie una do full order from we Facebook te tamame we say ni ya gba oro mo abi ya ni bie le no bie le no pe ma go e koko mo e bonu mu ya woda fo e bonu ya were yan o do degbo e. Crazy. Are you trying to silence Ukinebo or what? Are you trying to make her scared? Did she even mention your name? She never mentioned your name. She just said people called her. And you came out. I hear that TV. Now maybe they way guest star. And they did not go shit. They did not better Agbileuki. Who were forced to this was so talk. And they did not go a girlfriend who beu. No, not go like you beu no Roy. Oh, wow. What kind of nonsense is that? You were asking somebody yesterday that the person any right to know ya tamatu ari we no ya vie bo ware. Ma ya natural ari gitama ever since you. Ma bege we no say na gbomana ma we. Ya ni omo do ve bejo agbo ma work ma omo do ve bejo mi na gbomana ma because ukedo gbigbi agi anegbe ukedo yo boy ya ukedo ye pa ya gbe kiebo pa no mi na pa gbe for we ye pa gbe o se una gwale kiakian we Scandinavia gwale kiakian we country ya Avole dido. She go tell Kinebo not to let me come in between Kinebo and Ekobete. Oh, wa. Again, the day Ekobete got table before I even came and Ekobete not table Kinebo. Ete use that to dana this useless I saw it. I thought ya comment laughing comment yo. Where tiatu are in weta me we o lao no atu arun we go gwalik bi ame lao we man wa vu Kinebo. So did you tell her that? Maybe local primitive thing. Egwa mwegbe ere no ta gbawunu ebo no ta mimi opa no we gbawunu That's why I the brain where cash. You think you can intimidate to Kinebo to keep quiet, except she just want to keep quiet on her own. That when Suzy ne reman bana ogi intimidate to Kinebo when egwa who fail. Then who fail in their webo who fail. Italy to Spain to Belgium but my mawe who ye owa. Nonsense. Did the Kinebo mention your name? You are saying I don't know you were talking, I think it was Olakoko or whoever you were talking to, that the person has no right to. What about the people she has been asking? That you go there to go and put your laughing emoji. That you go there to go and comment when she's talking. Have you ever told her? I've never ever seen any of your comment telling her where is enough. Only say, you have never ever done that. The only time you did that was the time Atuari had issue with Ekia Queen. Because you said you have found out that Ekia Queen Sule was related to you, or I don't know how you said it the other time. That is the only time that I have seen you said it's okay when Atuari is having issue, when Atuari is blasting other people. O se Melissa siwe. O se manati tamatuari we eri o ma evenu wo lady na Emma. Or have you forgotten the Uno is a video no Ukinebo ko de gwan? Before we ginger Ukinebo say talk boy day. Ukinebo ya gwan we very free. Na dey craze. O ma gbon we kian. Unu ponu egbere webo e passport wo pa kan mai ti yemi muladia. No ya memelele ya kin ya memelele the whole Europe kian. Wow wa. No koko ruan. Ruan incoming ruan. So don't shock back ka we ayewu yo won we. We are dey Facebook we do agwo ma. Gwa we o ma gbon we ki bia no mama. I shower down on my girlfriend do be. Oh, wa Suzy Clara Ayowie. Wa lori ari. Working even do I intimidate Kinebo? For what? Did she mention your name? She only said people who called that she never, you would have voted for her to not play your audio first. Then we got okay, also anyway. But she never mentioned your name. Who will like that who can't do intimidate her when they're going? Suzy go there to do if you are hard to come and intimidate to Kinebo, let me know so that it becomes the two of us. Wow, why did they down on my neck? Useless women and look ma gunya koko mo ya ladin ya do agun ani ave mana. Wow. Look at the day your daughter gave birth. You are fooling yourself for live video. That for we no na gbon gbe no waro wa nu pa ejere monsia. Tamawe we say a live video that for we can na tamawe we say. Who met it by live video re. Tamagboya. Unyi mi eni na wa de sun no wa de koko be no bien na. Enya bi agun we bi agun. If not Bukinebo we fall and then a person. You worry, you make me ask Suzy, who bewa? We tamane de tu ade batuari, no we get saga na ogi ma we. Me was sat to are for the rest of the year, and I will face you bumper to bumper like I dealt with you in 2020, and you were looking for one agila la no my year no we never bath, no do happy way. with this nitwit. Oh, Joey, how are you the intimidator Ukinebo? Am I beer or say baby or Suzy? Ukinebo, I don't know you if you can hear me. Don't even answer her. We're giving you WhatsApp. Please, if you people should just watch her video. Let her say, in your debate, you know, where yes, this is a big banana. I can't argue my way. Over ya, go me like me, ya ni ado happy way. Wow, useless thing. They're coming out to say nobody has right to ask her to a paper. What about the people she has asked? Look at I saw a screenshot again. No, na bulala Ukinebo before lady ni ke gwan. The lad the gwan. Uga amwe laughing emoji wa work by car. We not so by car who kill wa worry oni. Every when we the banner because you are stark illiterate. Mo bi guys ko we rewe bona we bogo o ma anything aja.school we nu ze Belgium bana ugwaze wo because all you know is just to gbigbi aga fiakara. What kind of a thing is that? You're coming out to come and threaten Ukinebo not to talk? Has she mentioned your name? But you are coming to say, have you other threatening me? Okay, no, kuye, no kwa, go subi ba, everyone is doing the 2022 came me, okay, again, ya me video, now we say we are, if you drag you, wow, I got no boy, I wanna do as well, even good, who ask you? Oh, no, man, God, the town, me good. Wow, Suzy. What been working? When I'm saying or backbone what bottle there, you don't you look at yourself? Who even our backbone no make be? Then the way you are having a going. You want to come and intimidate Ayowie? You want to come and intimidate Tuki? Don't even go there. Is it the Jiva? Or you could just be told to me, are you on? Then he had permission from Okagbe. Okagbe la ogume gbege na ni gbeto yo. Because our job is the easiest on Facebook. Suzy no mana. Not lay we were agbe. We're going Suzy. You people, AB Paris, watch our video. Call taking on that when you only a deba Atuari Sagana between Atuari Ukinebo. Ni don't know demi ya na Ukinebo da wijinye ijwe noji. Onu wo ya tawe ti jwe odu wa igori wa ni ye no gubo wa du wa re ya bo wa because obo we gbijue. Obo gbijue. Akara mi ego ejwe wa bia wu. Obo no mo kia na emigo. Oyi me opportunity ya we yan be face me I face na be kwen wo. We full egbo me get to do time Israel wo o do time agbo we jwe o takpara pa no gi ojijwe hin. Ovioji agboye bi agwon we ni jwe rai ele video no do you no tave ni jwe we ni jwe ya dugu ware atakpara pa no gi oji we na me correct mothers if they are doing project for their children. The way Ovivien very go here na buy o Ovivien wo give me go na Ovivien aka wa calculate they see what the 10 bags of me you go near 10 bags of me any ya agba eyan agben yo. When you have a day responsible, you have to come out, you have to come and let the people of Facebook know that, oh, your mother is a thief, a klepto. Suzy, wait to our war. It's stark illiterate, no mama. I mean, your pan of gua pronounce. I be just say it really worry Facebook now. Some of you now, you get some of you now where I not even talk to save. Yes, Israel nation true. What Israel buweshen true. Agbo mama we bo mama we wa man akporu ugbo nu lawa. No gunu we. Ima we nu lawa in the sense that you should not do video again. No, we no gunu we. Emi aroma na metita gunu we. Who try no intimidate Ukinebo for what? Or make sure anywhere near. Ugbere no we 2020. Suzy we gbenu ya da de gbe mo yi lala we la dia ne. Utamane wa mo gbene. Utamane ni va yo utamane. Do mo gbenu ya de gbe mo yi lala we la dia. Do mo gbenu ya de to wa de gbe la dia wo kin do saga Ukinebo. Just let me know those two things. What's wrong with this idiot? No gba ogo ruan. Ya gbigbi agiafo ne ya re kia ya we no ro Brussels Antwerp we ya ne udiowa ugwaligo no ya fidovu we Nigeria. Ugigo Ukinebo kan na migo no are ya kokinya we motina. Don't even go there. Don't go there. Don't even go there. Ukinebo wa you want. Ajera. Suzy no Suzy we my face. Even mo ejera, ya na jouer do mo egbe no ya de look pobo ne a. Ya na jouer. I jouer na takpada padi chentro mama. Ya na jouer do mo egbe no ya look pobo ne Suzy. Eso e. Even no ya na jouer. Wow. Nonsense. If you want to do it 2020, ezodi mesinu. Una wa leke do ya gbasawo. Elolo. We meti are Swiss. Who are Swiss? We ya gbasawo. Everybody know. Ege no boy ya wo na emi minuta. They craze. You think say I resemble who they loved you. O ma gbo working. No ko work be ala work be. Are you trying to intimidate Ukinebo or what? I just want to know. That's one thing I really want to know. Let me know if you are interested in this case. If you want to take it personal with Ukinebo. Those of you who talk to Ukinebo, if you are here, tell her not to answer Suzy. Maybe Suzy will not be case now. No ya tite no ya like matter no be settle I saw a video when somebody no be leluwa can illiterate okpa no be leluwa. That person came out and said iyotiku oni say mama uki oni say I don't mean who wa vagwiveni and Emma is not encouraging to you people need love iyotiku. That was what that person said. Simple. Matured. They were able to do that way. I did attractive, and the next one now. Suzy, where video no do ya keep because of I set in the marry when who ya pen or bony no happy way. You go ya no me the way double zoji agboma ye mawe. And I mean bonore benefit to ye kwakwa or ye kwakwa yo wa. Ebe no wagi easy se na dere bejo. Umami abebo ya gbebo. Now that video if you want to open, Ukinebo you want to open for. Don't even go there. Guys, after this video, join me again on Precious Meg issue. You guys should join me again on Precious Meg issue. I don't want to have that sabo on this one I'm doing. Do we not gas me walking awa do what do as they require me no reda I require Suzy I require if no ya igbo ege Sandra igbo ego Saudion ya tie wege mi lakim oka happy wege ni but o my ya tie mi lakim I hate people who don't have respect for themselves at all. Dema milita we ladian we obona say no bono pa say why do try no intimidate Ukinebo and that you guys know that is one thing I don't like. Ikwe Utawe Ukinebo umana you didn't just make sure but it was directing to her. I hear you trusty where I trusty where mama star mama will star who were for Almost 60 years, ebe mama orgasm. If you are doing those orgasm funny joke, it's okay. But una when you egbe yoga to arena, my sister ya bolo wegbe. If you bolo wegbe bolo wa when ya gbo 2020. Oh ya go le Joy Thomas. Ya okpa ka wa we ku no me picture me we no ri anyway. If abo fiakulele we fiakulele joine e shentro woman. Wa. Egbe uki iyan ro we iyan na oge Suzy so no Suzy the over me Facebook, you know. Ukini bo we had the threatener. O wan give a threat over no biele ye credit we na. O wan gwa we no ya gbo kini bo gwa no there. O wan gwa Sandra gwa no biele ye credit. Wow. Yeah, she's always behaving like a child. She's coming to intimidate Ukinebo not to talk. I remember Biwa say she went inside to go and beg Ukinebo not to talk. Meanwhile, when this extra large tongue of Belfast, when she was insulting Ukinebo, she went there to go and be laughing. Not even or say. You didn't even do that. Waya wa Melissa la de waya wa nene ege Melissa do lato to wa ege Melissa do lato to wa zwa Suzy we to zwa abiege no na te boni ju Kinebo na extra ayoyo wa agbite ni no wa kiwe keke ni no ni wo re suo bu ege no na te boni orije Ukinebo. What did you do? No do kien do lade eni ya uta egba o do degbu e wa Suzy ya tijwe ya tamijwe tamewe Melissa we ije Suzy ne chentro wo ba we mu egbene no ya de gbe la another round of ayilala ijwe mu egbene no ya gwalobo no se pe a iwa ya ni migo venu migo se bi si gbe aga ya ge they are all doing well. Iya ma gwalo we bokpa ni akwakwaji but we not go we look boya. At the end of the day agbomaye ma we. We can igba le 66. I'm going to 70. And the day kin ma ye gbo kie. Ye gwa lo we bokpa nu akun kwi egbe weji. When she's doing, none of them will even talk to her. We trying to come and intimidate Ukinebo for what? It will not even work. Oh, and so Suzy, just go and when you are stark illiterate, go and meet Abusajala. Every part that I used English, go and meet Abusajala. No explain well because so bear with no anything na know. Share my people, like and follow this page. Follow me on the other page. I'm going to talk about Precious Meg on that one. Boy. Avinya ya ni ome bo we beje ya dowa. Bo no dowa yan agbo mama we because we bungbe. Ugami emi no fo wonu ya hine. That is why I did not give you that chance in 2020. Nagele ya ipoko ya wien wa o na iga vie yo biere ayilala iwu girlfriend do be o ga we ni atuare no mo kpe anu e o na bia yin ya no mo kpe anu. Let it be between the two of you. Do atra no do agbe you we issue ni e wo mana me matter ni e wo mana me sure is the try Suzy ya gbo egbe o le mi a Ayowie because your gwalik bia no ekiebo we wu ni ekiebo we yin wina enu ta na atuare gwalok bia ni yen ekiebo we be beje yin wina wa gbe o Eddie Murphy has the issue that he has today. You are the ringleader no swak biani fie wala noje. O Sofia ni swak o swak fie wala no na gbangbe. Where the Murphy till tomorrow my stable because of that thing. No ya one o wa no kwa. Nonsense. No koko vie koko pe no bien na. O ma bi agbon awe bi, o ma gbon we kin. May you now you want to intimidate to Kinebo. What you are going to be? Suzy go me he. Tamane wo mu egbe no ya debatoire full time e be sagana. No give ma we view where yo. Ma we gi no now. Ma wo we wa no face so let me just know do mu egbe ne. Who ka ya nejo ne. Ije o discover a new babalawo ne. O discover a new ayilala man ne. Go and ask your mother that. Nonsense. You always try to impute yourself. You always try to infuse yourself in any issue between Atuari. Meanwhile, when that again Atuari, then Atuari got tie bonnet or your parents say lolo or bucket over. We marry video ni we wet ye. Ana imi again no boy ya don't I do lad ya. Do mami go ya could be agia. Again no ya soge then na ilala man no mami agbore ne. Scarcity rate Nigerian ogi ya ku wasota slab ring road. Wọ́n dégì yéke dègò kí ẹ wọ́n gbọ̀n wẹ̀kìn. Yà nejoué Suzy when you yà nejoué go and ask your mother, your kleptomania mother, go and ask her if she has found a new native daughter, if she has found a new dibia, if she has found a new shrine. Mwamwe Melissa Ayowie sema raribo nona. Lore wo bi no mama nai. Where we respect it boy. And you're full of lies. Let me leave it at this. Please, those of you who watch her, just let me know. Ona we yen mwegbe saga, we yen saga Okinebo. We yen hian de bayo you saga. Wa gume wa fi video ni gume. Ebi Paris la ou ge fe ko fi wa ni gume. Do no yata we do online right no ya na tuari. Bi o we me a Suzy. Facebook na we je bo ga ne ma bo ga se ma be. No bug bije. You worried this one. What go working? Where's war? Atu aribo ma wa ni isu agbo be nu aya debe no go yeah ni agbo be rantu na iwe nu ya nejwe okay ona mu gbe ne we to adebe atu arisaga okay bu ka ya nejwe ne we la o discover a new dibiana o discover a new obonia. Ebi Paris, my love, what say? Now, Bagume, just help me look for the video. The way she say, just cut it out for me. Where she say, anyway, cut it out and tag me. Imana me tag, maybe if they busy, you leave a comment section. Nyana bege. Ona wiye mwegbine ni ya debatu arisaga Okinebo la wa fi video ni gume. Allah illiterate normal man ai. Oze gbigbi aga. U we rowe bonana e squawk pa kekan. U mare meti we jo. Okinebo body for one get power. Not go there, not try am o. Ajeba. Good morning, my dear sister. God bless you and everyone that has stood up. I appreciate you all. This is Shaw and Aribuli, but I stand my ground. Let them bring it. Okay, good morning, my darling sister Okinebo Kone. Good morning. You didn't even mention her name. You didn't even talk to her. You didn't even say you were going to. You didn't even mention. Oh, what we want here? Okinebo Okinebo never said you person and Suzy we what in your way Martin yeah. You tell what in your own Suzy when you go there they took in Uriye now they took in Saga Okinebo. I don't know Okinebo my way my go there and she's okay. I don't have any issue with her. The issue need to wane of a phone. Oh go there don't know we took in house Gbeye now Suzy Okinebo please don't even answer Suzy oh no we ari Gbeye ma vo e wa no ma vo kan wa gbowo yo pan na ge we no pan kai bu de gbe ya ti jue de gbe ya ti obo ni we ayina la ma ebo nu ti e o ma ye Melissa ma ye pandu. What has the woman done to you all? Wa mi eri wa du wa mi ke na eje wo nu ya ki e bi ki e si ki e di ene mango we gwanju gunu we o wa gunu we. See dey happen. Don't try, eh? Don't try it, oh. So this is just respect yourself. Don't even go there. Don't try it. If you want to have issue with Ukinebo, maybe on your own personal issue, when you don't get to arena because you love them, no de. O te buga, agbera ibane. Agbera ibane. Ejeba. Yeah, you didn't even mention her name. You didn't even mention anybody's name. You only said it because people were coming to beg you because we know the way they operate. They will leave her to insult people and people's parents. Then when the person, the other party is about to talk or retaliate, they go inside to go and beg. You never even mentioned that nobody even knew if she called or she did not call. Only for her to come out yesterday and be saying, are you all doing? You're chatting, eh? I don't know what you're chatting, eh? If I want to eat, I eat, eh? Could you not where you go to the eh? Eh, Omega is there, Suzy, eh? It's better not to even dine with the devil than to dine with the devil with a spoon, with a long spoon. Don't even dine with the devil. It will save you a lot of trauma, a lot of confusion, a lot of stress. What is wrong with this idiot, Suzy? What no way? Let me not talk much now. Please, I'm coming back on Precious Meg issue. I'm coming back right now. Ima only vinya evakugwe because he yama say. At the same rope it tied then. Me dey lick when ya wa la likebe but e wo iyen wo ma na me shunya oni ya kwa gbe yo eri egbute wa be due o imi kekere na be last week na ona be do boji wo ge Okinebo na aye yo wa give a show emi no u die maya when ya do ya beg you go boy na make am pok pe na if no you go for don we go for don come dey eat table come dey throw pillow if you my a pit toilet of osha my meti manipulated because of kind we dey ba down when you are down when we fu awo wa na no ya have street. Suzy, if you just want why they gbe na what time no why back to back again ni ya mi video ni ya mi obo because me o be we nu we je me ni u ni me money gba oge but anytime you we ya free wa we do bu kere i bu gbiju no ji nu wo ya ta video na be jo ya do wa go rie we no bi jo ya mu wa go no ya mu kia no ya meti mu go are mo that ni ke iyan ni sepe iyan du ki ja bo wa i mo ke do amu go gian from ewebo. Oh, that one said it, eh? Because the thing was too glaring now. Ezomeze this one was so threatening Okinebo he do play audio. When Okinebo played the audio, I told you where I choose maturity. I choose maturity. I surrender all. I surrender because she thought that is one thing I love. Okinebo gave her fire to all chest. Who you be? I'm not working. Now me you audio. Then the audio don't be the audio Okinebo play by herself that day. Okay, nobody play the audio na igbo na ihe only la yobo my meti na ga hwa gbidi yobo. No try am, Suzy. Also, if we stay your lane, fuck me. Just stay your own. If you want, do can wa leak where you are wa leak. Love and like this video, guys. This is one come fall Ukinebo connect hand. That one say wetin you get. If you get one audio about me, I go get 50 audios about you. Only you over regular dia pe ni audio ni wa we audio church member meeting member mother-in-law father-in-law your mother your husband. She ran now. I bet you guys did not see it. When she started singing, I give up on this saga. I give up on this saga. Lọ́lọ́ mọ ẹ̀rọ bọ̀ náà pa ní presenters ní kẹ́ ẹ mọ ẹ̀rọ bọ̀ ní kẹ́ ẹ. Yeah, from like you know, Golden Kinebo exactly like from what the way I was looking at her, man, no more like a wahala radio. She just one piece. She just want to enjoy. Do I feel Suzy mujwe? Don't tell me my baby. Suzy, let me reserve my word first. We wa gime we do onu riegbe na part time. Mukinebo Kenneth, please eze Suzy no gonshi. No mami abebo ya gbebo. We eze yo we wa me but ni wa ka me no ni egbe yo. E ma ta de agba egwan do you but don't everyone who do that trade from you. Damn. That's Kinebo done. What you ni normal. Kinebo has not done anything to you. I know that video Kinebo was like, oh, you know I love you. That was that we are. Suzy, please just pass a message. Tamame a matter now. Won't worry egbe your full time. No saga Okinebo na yoyowa. Then ezona kyonri for the rest of the year. Me wasa yoyowa. If when any car wear the 2020, I will defeat you again. Nonsense. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. You ya gazimi we doni ya vie yo gazimi we show we tu ari egbe yo Kinebo no wonu sale Kinebo we o mana e kai gu we gwa if Kinebo had even make sure your name now is a different. She never even nobody even knew if you were among the people that called her. She never even said it. She never even said she was even going to play. She said those of you coming in to beg her indoors for her not to talk when the not party bone what we ni wa ni aye winner. Oh, you winner. Oh, what tie bono wa mana wo no ro pa ni zede. Why was it get here? Honestly. Oh, wa mana tie and the other party here do gun. Wa na we na egun. Why you jo ware keme? Nonsense. O mana mi ya gwali winner. Ya ri po Suzy no ya gwali go no ya gba ore. O vu ekeke bo da fun no biele na ro in Nigeria. One. Nonsense. Thank you all for coming. I'm coming back now. Oh, they are flagging it. Please love and like this video, okay? Melissa is like, they are flagging your video. You guys should love and like. Can you hear me now? You love and like this video, okay? Let the love and like button keep rolling. Let it keep rolling. Umana miemi gi Suzy. Umana orgasm matter when I for no my mi orgasm matter. Umana mi have life story nu tariva. No gba de yo nu tariva ni. Umana gi mi egita we matu kinebo kian o we kian wa be egbeji na. Ugume ni ma be weswe na gbowo yo pa na ke mi nu pan kai. Suzy Clara Yogwe na gbowo yo pa. Okay, you guys can hear me. Na gbowo yo pa na ke mi no pan kai. Esachi kolitan, esachi kubeu. Me kiana. Ah, oh, more time. No body your time. It's between me and you now, not even between you. No, Mabu where we are not Suzy. Illiterate no mama, stark illiterate no mama. Agbe we are gwan, where we are gwan. Wo word just kuben. Na ona ye kedi an fide. Ovu ameti face interview. Ame awe to ameti gbe nursing exam. Mama gbon working. You know, you what is doing to other people. You guys will never ever call. I've never ever seen any of you calling her to say no or say muyoto. The other day, just few days ago, AB, I think you have that screenshot. Please upload it again. I'll get it from your page. The day you wanna amwe bogbogi you kinebo. Oh, idiot in a so na ya amwe love and like na ya gie yo. What's the man time I want is no tie na voice we we tie we show ni. Then kinebo gi guana wahala dia do azuo yo zuore. Gwa we no ya be egbo. Gwa kian wa be egbo yo no na be na zanzawe na bu no we gan ni bu no we gan 2020. Eri are bu no we. But wa gume wu kian be egbe your full time. Ovioji. Venu illiterate gi worry we say if na do ru you no tave live video Israel oji no odu wa ego re ya bowa. What can we be matter na? What can we like wa wukinebo wa can personal issue? Not that time I hear audio 30 way. I David 30 way. I know about 30 way. Nobody has right to tell her to bring us up. What about the people she has been asking? Or see any bonu watena ya o you wa gyowa because wa mi matter waita. And then ya sunu down avene or sunu dane no man wa like ne wa ke do ata where the person has no right. So when actuary was asking other people, she has no right as well. But you never ever came up to say, "Oh, no, I'm right no ya no anybody a boa." Have you ever said it? Wa do ta magbogbo Adebayo you ya gbegbe ya bolo we ga iwe nu de gbe ya na ejue no bewe ijue no bono mu kia no ma mu ode ya de gbe na ejue that time I did or discover a new obonia so when de gbe ya am waiting on it go and ask if you have discovered the deed a new house a new prestige to discover why you like not togyo ya na ejue o keri egbe yeme na unejwe de no do tama mewe unejwe ne o Israel we ye oda ove ne so umwegbe no aya de egbe ye matter na full time o bog is in that 2020 na mi ami ni una ya ta o te bo be 2018 o ma te bo me 20 oni o siezo na ya bolo egbe a wow Mabu we were not personal. It's just between me and you. Nobody is even involved now. Mabu we were not. But just let me know if you are ready to take this issue between Ayowie and Ukinebo. If you are ready to step in fully, if you are ready to take a side fully, let me know. Thank you all for joining. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Thank you. Gbinwe ni mama na do kinebo edo guwa ko ni mi we the same level wa kian we àwọn pari e da you be mama star we gbe ami kan gbon be gbu e je Nigeria ni e ma be jonya be fie o ye tuwe o ye sono at your age then we was say no okay can we wa gbe 8 months in Nigeria do gbe 4 months we be working you know bankrupt now Okay, no ke no ya plan, no ma ya plan, do ya go wo kan be Facebook, wa zo yo zuore. Una mo ebuli, e mani ke mo ebuli. So do a wa arisan we ke no jo wa fe ko arisan we. E ta mo ma me we no be do arisan. E try Suzy. E try ya bolo we gbe. Wa o wa no ma. Mgbo ya we bodo gbe bo mi e ko ebo na egbu we mi wo ko. O wa we bo ise igo wa. O wa we bo ise busy wo wa. Nonsense. Stark illiterate. You are stark illiterate. And if you want to illiterate, is illiterate. No, yeah, we but not integrate. Eke no na gwale kialele ya. Can you want to integrate? Na gazin mama. Ayowie or gazin program we. But you know we can read now. You see, I'm repeating this particular word because I am really ready for you. Una wo kan ari egbe yere na ujo wa here me umudi akere uke we ike prepare because ga agbu ya agbiju no jini. Thank you all for coming. I really appreciate. Let me leave this at now. AB Paris, please get into job, okay? Thank you so much. What we okinegbe kan meeting la dian dogun wa ha ihero wa da wa. Egi win mere mana. Eggy winner. It's not gonna work any longer. Anybody no what no Google they do go anybody not to ari Google. So wa no man ye go or here wa swim me mo gedi no wa memeni spirit dan no wa yin ni wo wa sia swini u wa fekotie ugume wa mi comment we ba no ya atawe iyotiku ose so that ya hia gbere de na hwe u meti bi atawe ladian o ye comment o why if you are writing it is okay iyotiku make sure you screenshot it so that when I come out for you Suzy you should be able to show it to me. Look Meluza look Meluza look at where I said she should stop but if there's nothing of such ya bolo egbewa e panty no jo nyagan your woru uga ya ido boy you panty where you got see where can lele uga leave me he say we are until nyagan your nyaga kafani your wo weni ukian wa we sun All like yeah, it's no longer between Benin and Nessa. Benin and Benin, you know, na me we do American. Nonsense. They no mind egbe. Ovio bewe, ovio ji. Thank you all for coming. I'm going to leave now. I'm coming back right away for Precious Meg. Okay. Thank you all. Please, you guys should just be at alert. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much. I love you all.